Hello and you're very welcome to this video in our series on banking for a junior cycle business based on Learning Outcome 1.8, and in this video we're going to look at what internet banking is and the advantages and disadvantages of internet or telephone banking. So firstly, think about it. What do you think is meant by internet banking? Any ideas? Pause the video now, jot down a few ideas, and when you're ready, press play to continue. So, internet banking allows customers to complete a range of different banking services using an online account. Some of these services can include paying bills, transferring money, checking their balance, etc. Okay, a lot of banks have also just a website you can log on to, but there's also mobile phone and tablet apps as well available. So, what do you think the advantages of internet banking are? Pause the video now, jot down a few advantages, and when you're ready, press play to continue. So the advantages of internet banking, well, it can be very convenient. You can easily access your bank account anytime you want. You can log in 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Meaning you can check your balance or pay stuff whenever you want. The location, you can log in from anywhere in the world, from any device. You don't have to be near a bank branch. Costs, but it's cheaper for banks as there's no cost associated with having an actual bank branch. So for example, they don't have to pay rent on a building, or they don't have to own a building. They don't have to pay staff to be in the building to manage people, so it can be quite cost effective and cheap for a bank as well. Now, any of these what the disadvantages of internet banking are. Pause the video and have a think of it there. When you're ready, press play to continue. So, a disadvantage is the possible closure of small bank branches in rural areas. Okay, so if, let's say, with the development of internet banking, banks might decide that smaller branches that aren't used that often, then the countryside, they might decide they're going to close them down to save money, as there isn't as much of a demand for them anymore. This wouldn't be great for, say, for example, older customers that might not be as tech savvy in these areas. It also means there's less people employed by the banks, and as we know, less people employed is not great for the country or the economy as a whole. And that means they'll be out of a job or they'd have to go find a new job. There's also security risks with online banking. You run the risk, there is the risk of potentially being hacked, which isn't exactly great, let's be honest. So, that brings us to the end of this video, folks, where you've learned what internet banking is, and you've also learned what the advantages and disadvantages of internet banking are. If you enjoyed the video, why not give it a like, and of course, please subscribe to the channel. Thanks very much for watching. Bye!